Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can add a clickable link on your TikTok profile. Let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do is upgrade your TikTok account from a normal creator to a business account. And you can do that by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, the three options. Click on creator tools, then you want to click on account, then click on switch to business account, then you click on next. You can select a category. I'm going to select gaming as a category just as an example to use. Then click on next. Then I'm just going to skip this process of adding email, and you're all set. So the next thing I'm going to do is to paste the link of my channel on my bio and click save. But as you can see, the link is not clickable, and that is because I have less than 1,000 subscribers, and that is a TikTok requirement. And that's it, guys. If you found this information helpful, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this.